when I saw this, it was actually pretty crazy. How much is actually in $1 billion? We say a billion like it's nothing, right? But it's always crazy to see this. Take a look. If we put $100,000, right? I'm gonna command V. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's $1 million right there. All right, it's a million, which is like, wow, okay. Well, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $10 million right there, okay? So I'm gonna add a little space, and then I'm gonna command C it. Okay, so that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 100 million. I'm gonna copy all that. Okay, command C. Come down here. 1, 2, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that right there is $1 billion. That's crazy. 1 billion. You know, in the world as of right now, there is approximately about 2,845 billionaires. So that sounds way out of our league. However, this right here is a million. This little line right here is a million. All right, let me zoom into that. This right here is a million, and for many people, this right here, which is 100,000 a year salary, is actually something that sounds really nice, very luxurious. But why does that sound very luxurious? Because a lot of us aren't even able to get that, because we're not set up for that. Think about this. In order to have $100,000, you have to make every single day approximately $51.45 every hour in order to be able to make $100,000 a year. Or you can do $345 every single day, or you can do $1,900 every week. And then at the end of the year, you'll have accumulated $100,000. After making $100,000, then you say, okay, what if I can save? Because you're not gonna save everything you made it. You're gonna save about, so then in like 20 years of saving about half of that, then eventually you'll be able to reach this pinnacle right here, which is the $1 million mark. Because about in the world, there's around 2,845 billionaires, but there are approximately 46.8 million millionaires. So that is a step in the right direction. But guys, it's actually not that much, compared to the grand scale. There's that many people that have this 2,800 amount of people have all this money, all that. More money than you've ever seen in your life and could possibly ever know what to do with it. It is said that in order for someone to be completely paid off and never have to work again, this is what they need. Just that. That's all they need. But look at these people. That's crazy. That's crazy. But did you guys know something? Maybe you've always thought about, wow, how cool it'd be to be a millionaire, but I'm probably not gonna get there. But the truth is that you can. And how are we gonna do that? Is by diversifying ourselves and by taking off a mental block. We see this and we get discouraged. Instead of being like, wow, I can't wait to have that, you start saying, I'm discouraged. So guys, what are we gonna do for that? So let's get started. And guys, we gotta break out of that mental block, and the way that we're gonna do that is by starting a new project here on the channel. For the next 14 weeks, I'm gonna be bringing you a video every Tuesday that's gonna be based off the book Think and Grow Rich. Now in this book, it's said by Quora that it has made the most millionaires out of any other book. In this book, there's actually 14 chapters, or in other words, 14 steps to riches that applies and that changes the look at the world, the way you think of the world, and the way that you react to it. It states that if you change the way you think, it'll change the way you'll be successful. So guys, for the next 14 weeks, I'm gonna prepare myself in reading. I'm gonna be bringing you every single chapter that will bring you guys the most value possible. If that sounds appealing to you, guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if this isn't the first time that you see me and you still haven't subscribed, that's the universe telling you to subscribe. All right, guys, with that, I'll see you next time.